That's why.
No, these are the section I can use.
Anybody who attacks devolution is really attacking the very core of the Constitution, because this is what Kenyans have fought for many years. To just see that they can get more resources coming out of the national government to the villages, to the counties, so that they can be able to make faster decisions where development is concerned. And a case in point is Kitui County Textile Center, Kikote, where had we been waiting for the Ministry of Trade and Industry from Nairobi to make a decision to put Kikote in place, it would have taken years. Maybe it would never even have taken place. So I'm just saying that anybody who is trying to kill or fight devolution should think again and understand this is about the lives of people, especially the underprivileged.